Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see SAS criterion for similarity of triangles. SAS criterion for similarity of triangles. Let us see its statement. In two triangles, one angle of the first triangle, or we can write one angle of a triangle, is equal to an angle of, or one angle of other triangle, and the sides. Here in two triangles, one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle. Here one angle to be equal, and other two sides, and the sides we can write, and the sides including these angles, are in proportion, or we can write are in proportional, then the two triangles are similar. The two triangles are similar. Here the meaning is that in two triangles, one angle is equal to one angle of the other triangle. One angle of a triangle equal to one of the other triangle. Means here you observe one angle to be equal, and the sides including these angles. Sides, how many sides are there? Two sides are there. So here the sides including this angle, if those sides are in proportional, then the two triangles are similar. So here let us start the proof by taking two triangles, name them as A, B, C and D, E, F. So let us write the given condition. Given here two sides are proportional. For example, if I take here, before that one angle is equal, right? So let us fix the angle. Suppose if I take angle A equal to angle D, given angle A equal to angle D, and here you observe what are the sides including this angle in triangle ABC. Here AB and AC, these two are the sides including this angle, but not BC, right? So AB and AC. In this triangle angle D, for this angle D, what are the including sides? DE and DF, but not EF. DE and DF. Here the corresponding sides means, here you see AB by DE, AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. AC by DF. This is what given condition. Now to prove. What to prove here? Here you see, then two triangles, means triangle ABC and triangle DF are similar. So our target is triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is what our target. Means we need to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. For this we need to do a small construction. Let us mention it here. Construction is locate P on DE. Locate P on the side, means on DE, and locate another point Q on DF. Locate another point Q on DF such that here location in the sense wherever we want, we should not take P and Q on D and E respectively. We should not take like that. Here the condition is there. The condition is that AB is equal to DE. AB is equal to DE, and also AC is equal to AB is equal to DP, and AC is equal to DQ. That means here you measure AB, with the same measurement you take here P. So DP and AB both are equal. So here the single line indicates both are equal. Same way here Q, you measure AC, with the measurement you take DQ. So here the double lines indicate that AC equal to PQ, DQ. AC equal to DQ. And another thing is that join PQ. Join PQ. Let us join P and Q. This is what construction over. Now we enter proof. Now we came to a particular stage where we need to prove these two triangles are similar. So here let us consider, here you see angle A equal to angle D, AB by DE equal to AC by DF. This full condition I am taking it as equation number 1. In further it may be used. Same AB equal to DP and AC equal to DQ. These two conditions also I am taking them as equation number 2. Now here let us start from 1, or you can write given. Both are the same. Here AB by DE. AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. But here you observe, equation 2 says AB can be replaced with DP. So AB can be replaced with DP. AC can be replaced with DQ. So here let us write now AB means I am writing here DP by DE is equal to AC means I am writing here DQ by DF. Here I am writing since from equation 2. I have changed this on the basis of equation 2, or we can write in examination by construction also. Now DP by DE equal to DQ by DF. Let us carry this one to this triangle DEF. Observe here DP by DE. DP by DE equal to DQ by DF. DQ by DF. That means here you see, here in triangle DEF, this is ratio. Ratios are equal. Here we get ratios are equal. When ratios are equal in a triangle, suppose if a line divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then that line is parallel to the third side. That is what given by converse of BPT. So if ratios are equal, lines are parallel. So here ratios implies parallel. This is given by converse of BPT. So here by converse of basic proportionality theorem, we can say PQ is parallel to EF. here we can say by BPT, converse of BPT, PQ is parallel to EF. So let us take this as equation number 1 over 2 over. Let us take this as equation number 3. Now here observe ratios 2 I reach to parallel. Ratios implies parallel, means here ratios are equal, then I reach to parallel by using converse of BPT. Now here let us shift this problem to the converse of BPT, that is parallel. So here you see, since PQ is parallel to EF, then we can say angle P, here I am keeping double arcs, is equal to angle E, right? At the same time we can say angle Q is equal to angle F. So since PQ parallel to EF, then corresponding angles are equal. If the lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal. If the corresponding angles are equal, then what happens? Angle P becomes angle E. Angle P becomes angle E. Also, angle Q becomes angle F. Angle Q becomes angle F. Let us take it as equation number 4. Here, as I do not have place, I am taking this small gap. Let us take it as equation number 4. Right. Clear? Now, here we got angle P equal to angle E, angle Q equal to angle F. Fine. Let us go to the original triangles ABC and DPQ. Let us compare them. Here you see triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. Now I am taking here from triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. This upper triangle with this triangle. AB is equal to DP. AB by DP. Here, sorry, AB is equal to DP. AC is equal to DQ. And angle A is equal to angle D. So by SAS congruency, both the triangles are congruent. These two are congruent. So here I am writing from triangle ABC. Here AB is equal to DP. AC is equal to DQ. Also angle A equal to angle D. Angle A equal to angle D. AB equal to DP, AC equal to DQ by construction. So we can say these two are from equation 2. And angle A is equal to angle D, it is. Angle A equal to angle D. This is given. Given we can write as from 1. Here you observe, these two are sides. And this is their including angle. Or we can say included angle. See here, side, angle, side, side, angle, side. So by SAS congruency axiom, we can say that these triangles, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. So this triangle is congruent to the upper triangle. When those triangles are congruent, then corresponding angles are equal. So here angle P equal to angle B. At the same time, angle Q is equal to angle C. So let us mention it. So here we can write their corresponding angles are equal. So here their corresponding, as I don't have place, I am adjusting here, corresponding angles are equal. So let us see what are the corresponding angles. Angle A equal to angle D. Angle A equal to angle D. Next, angle B equal to angle P. Angle B is equal to angle P. Angle C is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle Q. These are the corresponding angles. So let us take these two as equation number 4 over. Then here equation number 5. Now we came to the conclusion. You compare 4 and 5. Here you see B equal to P, means angle B equal to angle P. At the same time P equal to E also. Therefore we can write B is equal to E. So let us write A equal to D as it is. Angle A equal to angle D. I am not going to disturb. Let us maintain the same. Here in place of angle B, I can write angle P, but angle P is already angle E. So here I am writing angle B equal to angle E. Similarly, angle C is angle Q, but Q is F. Therefore, angle C is equal to angle F. So here clearly the corresponding angles of triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equal. So here corresponding angles are equal. So if in two triangles, if corresponding angles are equal in two triangles by A similarity, we can say triangle ABC, these are the measurements of triangle ABC, is similar to triangle DEF. So finally we got here triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Here you see, that is what we need to prove. So here triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Hence then the two triangles are similar. Therefore these two triangles are similar. Hence proved. With this, SAS criterion for similarity of triangles gets completed.